How you doing? Staresso have kindly sent me out two of their lightweight compact coffee gadgets. So the first one I'll be trying out is an electric grinder, which is really lightweight and small, compact, easy to carry, fits in the backpack no problem. And these two go hand in hand really well because this is a compact, lightweight coffee espresso machine. So yeah, I look forward to trying these out in the outdoors. I have had a mess around indoors with them, and they are good quality and they do work really well. So yeah, I'll get around to trying these out in a minute and run you through the specs. Yeah, so Staresso are well known for the lightweight coffee machines, grinders, that kind of thing. They do make some really good manual grinders as well, perfect for camping, wild camping, that kind of thing. This one's an electric rechargeable one. I'll run you through the specs in a minute, show you how that one works. And this is the SP200 classic Staresso espresso machine. It is manual, which works with a pump. So yeah, I'll run you through all that in a minute. So I did weigh the Discovery 2 with the pouch and the brush, and it was 712 grams, so it's quite lightweight really for an electric grinder. And this is ideal for people who like really fresh coffee, to like a bean to cup espresso. So yeah, I've brought some fresh beans with me, Lavazza beans, so I'll be grinding these up in here and I'll be using it in this machine. Yeah, these two gadgets complement each other really well. They go hand in hand really well. Ideal for wild camping, days out, that kind of thing, for people who like a fresh coffee. I will need to boil some water, so I've brought my Eagle kettle, and I've got my Silver Ant Outdoors military canteen with me as well for the water supply, and also the Soto Windmaster. What I really like about the Discovery 2 is the charging ports are Type-C, which most mobile phones are Type-C charging these days, so it's really convenient. When it needs charging, just stick it in your phone charger, doesn't take long to charge up, and it's also just one button to operate, so it's really straightforward. And the build quality is really nice as well. Lightweight aluminium, solid build quality. It's got a good locking system there at the top, and the bottom just screws off, and that's where you get your ground coffee grounds. So this is the bottom where your coffee grounds end up. Whether they're fine or coarse, that's up to you, depending on what you use them for. And here's the settings for the coarseness. At the bottom here you can just see, really straightforward, really easy to use, and good quality. So this is your grinding chamber where you'd add your beans. This can take up to 20 grams of fresh coffee beans. I'll just add the beans into there. So that's all locked in place, and the bottom's screwed back on. Then you just press the button to activate. Yeah, sounds like that's done now. Press it again to stop it. So that didn't take long at all, about 30 seconds maybe. Yeah, what I like about it as well is it's not too loud. So if you use it in the morning, or you won't disturb many people if you don't make your morning coffee, that kind of thing, on a campsite or if you're wild camping. It's not too noisy. And now you'd have your fresh ground coffee. It smells lovely, that as well. Just use the brush to get rid of any coffee off the Discovery 2 grinder. So next I'm going to add up to 10 grams of ground coffee. You just use this little scoop to press it down, temper it down. Works quite well. So this is where you add your water at the top, and the maximum fill level is 80 ml. And this is also your pump as well. You just press and twist, and it pops out. So filled that up to 80 ml, which is the maximum. Right now I'm going to screw the lid back on and start giving it a few pumps. That's worked really well. Looks really nice. Well, I'm really impressed with how that's turned out. Looks really nice. Now for the taste test. Lovely. Yeah, that's really nice. Well, I've got to say, that turned out really well. These two go together really well. In fact, these three do. If you're looking for a really good quality kettle for the outdoors, then this Eagle Products. It's a smaller version, so it's lightweight, really compact. Perfect for the outdoors. So yeah, I'm really impressed with this kit. I'll definitely be using it again anyway. Perfect for days like this, for a stroll through the forest. Just decided to come out for the walk and thought I'd try it out in the forest today. And I'm really impressed. Tasted really nice. Right then, so my overall thoughts on these Staresso gadgets are really good. I think they work really well together. The espresso turned out really well. As nice as anything I've had before. Especially in the outdoors, it tastes really nice, especially from freshly ground beans. And the grinder worked really well. I mean, it ground the beans up in a lot less than 30 seconds. It's silent, not very loud. It's rechargeable and you get about 25 grinds per charge. And this worked really well too. Really compact, lightweight, easy to carry, easy to sit with if you're on a camp or a wild camp, that kind of thing. I'd definitely recommend it. Right then, I'm going to leave the video here. Thanks for watching.